Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate your Jio SIM. First, understand why you might need a duplicate, perhaps due to a lost or damaged SIM card. Next, gather all your essential documents, including valid identity and address proofs. Finally, locate your nearest official Jio store or an authorized Jio retailer. They are equipped to guide you through the entire process smoothly and efficiently, ensuring a hassle-free experience from start to finish. To get your duplicate Jio SIM, you will need a valid government-issued photo identification, like an Aadhaar card. Additionally, provide proof of address, which could be the same document or a recent utility bill. It is also helpful to have your original SIM card details or the registered mobile number readily available. Sometimes, a passport-sized photograph is also requested to complete the verification process at the store. Once at the store, a representative will meticulously verify your identity and all submitted documents. For enhanced security, you might be asked to provide biometric authentication, such as your fingerprints. After successful verification, your new duplicate SIM will typically be activated within a few hours. You will receive an SMS confirmation on your registered alternate number once your new SIM is fully operational and ready for use, ensuring a smooth transition. Please note there is a nominal fee for issuing a duplicate SIM card, typically around 25 rupees. Remember that your existing contacts and any data stored on your old SIM will not transfer automatically to the new one. It is crucial to inform your bank and other essential services if your mobile number changes. Finally, always ensure your new SIM is working correctly by making a test call or sending a message before leaving the store.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.